is free. Polyphemus only does what he wants now.
The latest DLC update brought to us a full rework of Cyclops' skills. Now, he became much stronger and got much more useful for his teammates. His mana got replaced to hunger, so now he can use unlimited times of skills. This hunger just brings him some more abilities to his skills. Now you'll see everything by yourself. His first skill is Devour. If Cyclops has more than 40 hunger, he will get some additional physical damage. His active skill makes him absorb a monster so he creeps health to restore his own one. It also recovers 50 hunger. His second skill is Hammer Smash. The Cyclops throws a ball to a target. This ball can hit up to several enemies. The skill can also stun the first enemy who got a hit if Cyclops has some hunger. The skill absorbs 50 hunger to get a stun. The third skill is Resonant Pain. The passive skill increases his defense, while the active skill makes him reflect all the incoming damage to the enemies. If Cyclops has some hunger, his movement speed will be increased for 4 seconds. His ultimate is an Eye of Fury. The Cyclops stamps the ground and stuns all the enemies who got under it. The skill recovers 50 hunger and can be used 3 times in a row. You have seen all the changes the Cyclops got since the last update. You can comment below and tell us your own opinion about the change. This is all. Don't forget to put some likes and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.